So from Grace, how do you set up your overhead mini wobbler system for a 50 by 50 veggie plot? Could you list out everything in one would need to purchase? We are confused with it all, and the drip works are not able to help us. Thanks. Well, I buy all this stuff locally, so I can't really tell you where to get all this stuff online. But from the field videos, I lay out exactly what the products are, and you know, it's for a 50 by 50. You would do exactly what we used for one of our field blocks. You only need 4 wobblers. So you need 4 stands, 4 mini wobblers, 4 couplings that connect the 1/2-inch poly to the wobbler. And then we use the light purple heads on the wobblers. And then you need to have, all the coupling pieces. That's all explained pretty well in those videos there, Grace. If I can do it while I'm talking, I will find them for you and put them in that in the comment section, because it's all there. But yeah, like I know a lot of people buy everything online. When it comes to farming stuff, I don't. I'm fortunate enough to have enough farm supply and irrigation supply stores around me that I get everything I need. Like, I don't need to order anything online. I like going in and talking shop with people. So, yeah, that's what it is. So here, I'll share this. Here, I'll just share my screen for a second here. I got 2 monitors going on, so let me show you desktop 2 here. Can you guys see that? In a second, you'll see it. So yeah, so I just type in irrigation on the site, and then go down to, so there's a variety of ones on the mini wobblers, and I explain here. I show all the pieces here. In this one, this irrigation layout video, I show you how all this stuff is assembled, basically. So I go through and I draw it out. I draw what the main headers are, and then sorry, it's a little bit choppy when I'm streaming to scroll through all this stuff, so maybe it's not the best idea for me to do this, but it's all there. Definitely watch this one, New Farm Vlog 10. Watch this one where I go to John's farm and show it, and then the recent one I did, that's the drip system one. Yeah, it's all there between this one here, and this one here. You'll get all your answers. It's all there. And this one here, the New Farm Vlog 10, I really just I lay it out. I just basically draw everything and show you exactly what you need and how it is laid out. And so our field blocks are 50 by 42 or something like that. So it'll be the same for you. It'll work just fine.